We done caught rollies on rollies on rollies, and I need another one.
DJ, what?
I do not know you. I do not trust you. Don't fuck with no new niggas. Only my brothers. I might just have to
give my baby a bath. She should be my car wash, man. Before I throw that hairliner back in, let somebody else do the hard work. Yeah. Okay, YouTube, got it spread out, got it hanging now. Might as well wipe it down a little bit since I got it out. Show y'all a little bit. Let's see if I can cut this light real quick. I just got it on some random ass shit. Gonna put them in probably tomorrow or something. Alright. Okay, YouTube. My damn daughter leaves. Let me show y'all. I still gotta put a headrest. Visor back in. And little odds and ends, but let me show y'all. Let's see from outside already. And it's on remote. Got the inside light off. I just gotta put that visor back on the passenger side. I mean driver's side. Yeah. I got it wide. I just got it wide so it'll come on, but I can cut it off. Or whatever. Change colors, but came out pretty good to me, man. It's the first time I actually seen it on the outside. I mean, me looking from the outside. Like we was in traffic, pull up next to me or something. Darting off like fucking around. But alright there, YouTube.